knowing how the blockchain works. Your crypto is not saved in the wallet. Your crypto is actually in the blockchain. So your wallet is the interface you are using to see what you have in the blockchain. Meaning, it's just a mirror that shows you what you have on the blockchain. So, how to keep it secure based on you using all the security measures and components that the software wallet provides in order to keep your crypto safe. Before watching the full video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications. Number 1. No. No on crypto is having your wallet in your cell phone is a no. No. You want to have a separate device for your cryptos. Like if you have an iPad, or maybe you just buy a cell phone that you want to use basically to store your crypto. All you do is don't connect the cell phone to any line. You're just only using it for your crypto. You buy a VPN and store the VPN in the device, then import your wallet into whatever software wallet you want to use in the device. Then, after you do all of that, you set up the security, like your password. Do not use biometrics. Make sure you use a physical password or passcode, and also set the wallet to have an automatic lock. So, whenever you finish a transaction, the wallet locks itself. Maybe even if you forget, the wallet automatically locks itself. Like in MetaMask, you can set it to immediate lock. So, once you go in and out, the wallet automatically locks itself. Then, after you do all of that, you just set the device on airplane mode and you turn it off. So your crypto is there, safe, and it's going to be safe there. Nobody can penetrate it. So, it's only when you're ready to use it or do any transaction. Maybe you want to transfer into something else. You know that's when you go into the device. And that's how you keep your crypto safe. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications about crypto-related videos.